Hello everyone! Welcome to today's Field Trip Friday. We're going to be learning all about microorganisms, and we're going to start with an experiment. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of warm water. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar and stir it up until the sugar dissolves. Now we need a teaspoon of yeast. Once you've added that in, give that a stir too. The yeast eats the sugar dissolved in the water and releases carbon dioxide bubbles. It's going to take a while to see anything happening, so let's speed this up. This is an example of just one thing microorganisms can do. If you've ever made bread, you know you need yeast to make the dough rise. Like yeast, there are many microorganisms that can be helpful. Yeast belongs to a group of microorganisms called fungi. Other fungi include mushrooms and mold. In addition to fungi, there are 4 other types of microorganisms: bacteria, viruses, algae, and protozoa. We're going to take some time and talk about bacteria. Bacteria and other microorganisms are so small that we need a microscope to be able to see them. They can be different shapes, including rod-shaped, round, or spiral, depending on the type of bacteria. They move using a flagellum, which acts kind of like a propeller on a boat. Right now, we're going to make our own bacteria using construction paper, a marker, scissors, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, tape, yarn, and some glue. Even though they're so small, bacteria can have a huge effect on us. Bacteria are capable of making us sick. They do this by changing how cells in our bodies are able to function. Sometimes we may take medicine, like antibiotics, to help us feel better. But our bodies also work to fight these bacteria through our immune system. The immune system is a group of organs, tissues, and cells that help protect the body from infection. One of the most important parts is white blood cells, also called lymphocytes. They are made in bone marrow and are stored all over the body in organs including the lymph nodes, the spleen, and our tonsils. When we get sick, the lymphocytes are activated to kill the microorganisms that are making us sick. After, they'll remember how to fight them in case we get infected by the same germs again. Now that you know all about microorganisms and your immune system, help your body by eating healthy, getting plenty of sleep, and exercising. We'll see you again soon for Field Trip Friday.